Welcome friends, I'm going to show you this time around how to use the YouTube website to learn and to research on several things that will be useful to you. So to access YouTube, you type www.youtube.com. So I'll type that on my browser and I press enter and it begins to load. So while it's loading, I will come right here and type how to process cassava to flour. So when you type that, you see a lot of videos that explains that. So what we're trying to do here is we don't just want to uh, harvest a cassava and possibly use the traditional method of preserving it. We want to turn it to a cassava flour. So there are a lot of videos here that teaches on what to do. So I'm going to click on this one. For example, um, here I have cassava starch, how to make cassava starch. So I'll just click here and the author of this video will explain
Soaring prices,
how
mass
it's done.
shortages.
Most time when you click it,
What's
you see an
next?
advert.
Hi,
It's
I'm
an
Chris
advert,
Hurt.
so I've just click on it to skip that. So to listen to the main video. So let's just listen to it and see what's all about. So here the video is showing us what we're trying to get at the end. So that's our raw cassava that I harvested and washed. So we'll cut and peel it. So the cassavas are almost completely peeled. We'll wash it again. So we're cutting it more into smaller pieces. So we'll soak the cassava in clean water for 3 days to eradicate the hydrogen cyanide. After 3 days, wash the cassava thoroughly. So we add the cassava in the blender. So we're blending it. So we're going to sieve the cassava using a clean cloth to squeeze out the liquid. So we now have the cassava pulp, which can be used for fufu. So we repeat this process until we are able to get all our cassava pulp. So we'll cover the container, let the container rest until the starch settles at the bottom. We decant the liquid. Now have our starch. Scoop the starch onto a food dehydrator. Secure the lid. Turn on the dehydrator and the dehydrator at 50 degrees Celsius for 4 hours or dry under the sun. And now we have our dried starch. Transfer the starch into a blender. Blend or mill. Now have our cassava starch in powder form. Thank you. So now if you like this video, you can download this video by coming here, putting SS, typing SS in front of YouTube. When you do that, you press enter. If it opens this way, you can click on download without installation of the software. Then the video appears, then you click download. You can see it's downloading. So the size is 110. So once this is completed, you have the software, this video on your system, and you can play it at any particular point in time that you need it. That's how you can watch a video on a YouTube channel and how to download it. You can also download it to local systems so you can use it anytime you want it. Thank you. So you can see my download is almost completed. It's completed now, so I can just click here and open to the folder where it is. Normally it's downloaded to the download folder. Then I can always play from my local system without having to connect online. That's how it works.